Hey guys, Garden Entity here. I'm really excited to show you the next project I'm working on. I just received a big batch of rocks, so work can be resumed. I started creating this rock pathway like a month ago. But before starting the work today, let me show you the progress from the beginning. There are just a few pictures. Enjoy!
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high.